Hello everybody, this is Vincent. I know it's been a long time, but I'm here to show you that a lot of times when you sometimes have water going back inside the dishwasher after you finish washing, and it's a lot of the water, some of the water goes back from the garbage disposal back through the line, and then it goes back into the dishwasher because the pump pushes the water out. And then once the pump is done, whatever's left in the tube will just go back toward the dishwasher. So normally what I do, I take the dishwasher off. Disconnect it from the dishwasher, which is right here. It's right on the side of the garbage disposal. But I'm not gonna disconnect from there. I'm gonna do it from here and hook it. So please forgive me about the videos. I'm doing it myself. But disconnect it. And hers is long enough to, so what I do, I put a couple I ain't gonna say knots, but like loops in it. So let me show you. Like a little pretzel, see? And hers is long enough, I could probably put two. So I'm gonna move this down. Again, excuse me for the videos. Hold on for a second. You see how I put two little knots or loops, or you can put one big one inside. Sorry. See, that'll help the water. So when it cut off, all the water won't go back toward the dishwasher. Because when your sink fills up, the little hole that's on the side of the garbage disposal, if the water goes beyond this point inside your garbage disposal, that water that sits in garbage disposal goes back through the tube and goes back toward the dishwasher. So I'm gonna hook it back up. And then tighten this back up. You see how the little loops, that helps some of the water from not going back toward the dishwasher. You can try to open them up a little bit. The bigger the loop, the better no water will go back. So when water stops, if the pump pushing it through, then when it stop, hopefully it'll stop. Not hopefully, but it will stop some of the water from going back toward the dishwasher. All right, and just remember, if the garbage disposal fills up inside, and it goes, and the water fills up past this this circle, the dishwasher hookup, it will go back toward the dishwasher. All right, I'm gonna thank y'all for watching. Yeah, have a blessed day. Thanks.